'n Familie van Bloemfontein het verlede week al hulle besittings verloor nadat hulle huis afgebrand het. 3 lede van die familie worstel nou elkeen met sy eie gedagtes om die tragiese gebeure te verwerk.
Yeah, it's devastating when you come and you see there's nothing, but you know that your children are fine is good, and to know that your animals have survived because they stay in the house and slept in the house and so on. Yeah, so it's devastating. You have nothing. But that's not, like I say, we can get stuff. People have been very good to us and we have a caravan, so it's okay, it's a plus point. Yeah, but other than that, we can start again.
I'm disabled, I can't do what is expected of me to do to bring the monthly income in. I don't have any insurance with the government grant I receive. Cannot afford to keep my head above the water with all the daily living costs.
Ek wonder oor die toekoms. Waar nou? Want ek het nie krag om weer te begin nie. Really. Ek is 'n diabetes op insulin. Dis albei waarvoor die familie baie bekommerd oor is. Hulle wil natuurlik sommer 'n bakkie stuur vanaand nog en sê los dit. Los die gemors vir Vincent en die kinders. Kom bly by ons. Jy weet ons is lief vir julle. Maar ek het ook my trots. En ek wil nie by hulle gaan bly nie. Ek wil my eie plek hê. Ek het gewerk vir dit.